Are you playing with the dogs? Get him, Matt. Get him. Go get him.
Pull. Pull.
Pull it.
People are gonna see this video and be like, "You let your son." Good job, Captain. Good boy, Captain. You're not fighting, are you? Okay, he's drooling on it.
Matt, are you having fun? Matt, what happened? Are you having fun?
Fire truck behind.
Just don't eat the blanket like Captain, okay?
Where's Matt? Captain, easy. Matt still wants to play with you. Yeah, I don't have to play with you. Uh-oh, he's got your bone. Captain, get your bone. Captain, get your bone.
Get your bone. Captain, where's your bone?
Yes, Captain, get your bone. Molly, get your bone.
Whose bone is that? Captain's bone?
Oh, they don't want to play with you anymore because you won.
Do not put that in your mouth.
You're too strong. Throw it. Captain, where's your bone? Captain.
Get it! Molly, get it! Good girl!
Molly. Molly got scared. It's okay, Molly.
He just got whacked in the head by Captain.
Hey, off the